Welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the rules of naming variables. Since you're going to be making lots of variables inside your programs, you should be able to name them properly. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this. Let's say you're trying to keep track of the number of drinks that the user is going to purchase at a store. You might say, well, drinks starts with the letter D. I'll just call it D. This works. You can do it. Okay, you can have a single letter variable, but it's not a very descriptive name. You have to remember that somebody is going to be reading your code, and the more your code reads like English, the easier it's going to be for you and for them to understand what you're doing. So take the extra 2 seconds and name your variable something like integer drinks. Okay, make your variables have words that describe what they're keeping track of. Okay, second rule, start with a little letter when you're making your variables for now. This is just a convention. A regular variable always starts with a little letter. Let's say you want to use 2 words, like drink count, okay, to be a little more descriptive. This is a common convention. You can type out the second word, start with a little letter for the first word, a capital letter for every other word. So you could say drink count, purchased, right? Capital P, capital C, makes it easy to see where the other words are starting. Okay, so not bad. Can you include numbers in your variables? Yes, you can. You can put a number at the end, or you could even put a number in the middle of your variable, no problem. But don't do this. You cannot start your variable with a number. Okay, that's just a rule. So you'll see here I got the red line and it says cannot find symbol. As soon as it sees a number, it knows you broke the rule, then it doesn't understand what you're trying to do there. This line here is showing you an example of do not use funny symbols like percent signs and stars and dollar signs in your variable. Right here, that's a funny symbol. Okay, don't use it. Just like, you know, don't use like a symbol like that. It's not going to work. But there is one symbol you can use, and that's the underscore. So you'll see here, space bars, bad. Can't put a space bar in your variable name, but if you did want that space for some reason, you can use the underscore. Okay, that's okay. So hot dog purchases, that works just fine. That's really it. That's basically your rules. Name your variables nicely. Most of you will just do something like this, right? Or like this. Nothing complicated. And you're going to be good to go. Thanks for watching.